Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing baby shirt design. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginners and makers. The design for crochet every day. These baby crochet shirt design are having to all fabulous design from easy. This crochet baby shirt can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All of the designs are common design for used. Most of the patterns below use simple beginner-friendly stitches like the single crochet stitch, which means they are mostly easy to crochet. I hope you enjoy this collection of crochet shirt design. If you like crochet more free pattern, check out the crochet pattern collection below. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more crochet patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So we will share this video to your friend and family member. So friends, be connected with me and remember, we enjoy, pray we will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.